Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the rack and pinion. I got it from Detroit Axle online. It was actually, the original price is actually $169 and change, but they give you a discount and the discount drop it down to $143 and change. So just want to let you guys know. And also, of course, this is aftermarket. This is not the original. This is not the genuine OEM part. But the thing that I like about this company, if anything happened, you could send it back, and it's lifetime warranty. It's not a year, not 2 years, not 10 years. It's a lifetime. So anytime this go bad, I could literally return it, you know? Yeah. So here goes the unboxing right here. Gotta be careful I don't cut myself. Right there. It's harder than I thought. Holding the camera and try to do this large unboxing. Alright, that's gone. That one's gone. So this is the rack and pinion. Basically control the steering, going left and right. The one that I have on my car right now is no good. Alright, this is this way. Okay, so got that part off. Come with some protection, I see, as well, which is not bad. I like that. They really care. They really care about their customers. I had ran upstairs with it. Right now I'm out of breath. So yeah, this also comes with the man, I can't remember the name. I'm sorry guys. The tie rods. These are the outer tie rods. So it comes with two outer, left and right tie rods, brand new. Everything is new. Nothing refurbished. Nothing refurbished here. So it also comes with two outer tie rod, guys. I'm supposed to basically get it. I'm supposed to get it like in 3 days, but I think because of some storm or hurricane make a delay. So I ended up getting it this week, because I ordered it sometime last week, and they said I'm supposed to get it on on Friday, but Friday came, I never got it. So yeah guys, I like the way how they really secured it. You feel me? You could see these spongy things as well at the bottom, and so as the top, so it don't mess the rack up. I had bought a rack. The last rack that I had bought, the last rack and pinion that I bought from and they actually strap it down as well, make sure it don't move. So this is awesome. I don't even want to take it out of the package. I really just want to leave it like this, because the mechanic that I'm going to take it to, he will continue the rest of the unboxing. But due to I love you guys, I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to try to sit it back in the box, you know, as well. But yeah, as I was saying, the one that I had bought from off eBay, you know, eBay have a lot of different vendors. That one have a year warranty, and that went out a year. So this is one of the tie rod. This is the other outer tie rod. They got the pins. It should have the pins inside. You guys could see it, have the pins inside. So put that down. And this is the rack. Trying to pull it out. It's well secure. Okay, this is the rack, guys. I gotta remember to place it back in there the way how I got it out. Alright. I don't want to take it out the package, but this is the rack and pinion. The end right there is where the tie rod connect to, and for this side, and of course for the other side, it's going to be the same. Have this blue covering to, you know, just for extra protection, not to get it bent. Make sure there's no leaks. No, nothing. If this leaks, it's going to be bad. So gotta open it to make sure I check. And this right here is connected to your steering. Like the steering column connects to here. Correct me if I'm wrong, but here's where the steering column, I'm guessing, connect to, so you could turn your wheel left and right, because this controls your wheel to actually turn. Here's your rack and pinion. Man, I'm so out of breath. I'm burnt out. I'm sorry, guys. I had ran downstairs for it. I ran downstairs for it, and I actually ran back upstairs with it. So I'm sorry that I'm out of breath, and I'm sorry that I'm burnt out. But this is how a Toyota, and mostly any other car, rack and pinion is going to look like. You know, this is not the OEM. This is not the genuine one. This is aftermarket, of course. But this is brand new, and this is lifetime warranty. So you can't beat this. I don't want to take it out of the package. As I said, the other side is going to look the same. Have that blue thing at the end, just like this one. Because this is where the outer tie rod connect to one side and connect to the other side. And that's about it with the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't know if you guys wanted to see more of it. Like, I know that it's a lot of glare due to the plastic, but it's not much to really see, you know. It's not much to really see. And all your lines connected, which is the lines from the reservoir to the pump, the high, the return line, and the pressure line from the power steering. The power steering line, they have the pressure line, and they have the return line, because this needs to be lubricated at all times. Without any power steering, you're not going to be able to turn that steering wheel at all. So the lines will connect here, two of them, you know, they will connect and go from the car, from the reservoir to go through the pump, the steering fluid, the power steering pump, and it rotates from the pressure line to the return line, and it goes back and forth. You turn your wheel this whole rack gonna need to be lubricated inside. That's how it works. So you could turn your wheel easy. Without this, you will not able to turn your wheel. But I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. I did the best I can, even though I didn't really want to take it out of the paper, out of the plastic. I want to put it back in there exactly how I got it, because when I drop it off to the mechanic, he'll get it done. He'll install it for me. And of course, I'm going to need to get alignment. I'm going to need to install 2 brand new tires and get an alignment as well, so my wheel will be straight and it won't eat up my tires. I already have 2 new tires already, so I just got to pay the fee to get this installed and actually take my vehicle to the shop to get the 2 new tires installed and get an alignment with it. But this is all I want to share with you. This is a brand new rack and pinion, and this one comes with 2 outer tie rod. Lifetime warranty from Detroit Axle Online. And that's about it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys. Please subscribe. You can share this out. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. This is my first time shopping from this website, but the only thing that I like about it is because this one particularly give me lifetime warranty. Not a year, not 10 years. This one give me lifetime warranty, and that's what I like about it. I trust in website that give you an amazing warranty on a product that you're gonna buy, especially if it's aftermarket. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. It's free. No money down, free of charge. It's just to let you guys get a notification every time I upload a new video. I appreciate you guys. Look, I'm sweating. I appreciate you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe. Peace. Bye-bye. Take care. And I'm out. Peace.
You whine me, you grind me, you squeeze me, excite me, entice me.